Good morning, everybody. How's YouTube doing today? Gonna do a very quick unboxing on a 1/12 scale full drive buggy from a company called Bonzai. I believe I did an unboxing about a year and a half ago on a slightly different model, but I got the new revised one, so I just wanted to show you guys what it's all about. In this particular case, it's called the Bonzai Kraze. You may see this one on Amazon. So as you can see, it's a 1/12 scale off-road. It has a 540 size brushed motor, 2.4 gigahertz, yada yada. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this one up to show you guys what it's all about in case you guys have never seen it before. Okay, so take out all this stuff here. Okay, so first off, in this little box we have the remote. Nothing else in the box. Standard Bonzai remote. You have your controls up top here, as you can see. Okay, your I believe it's 4 AA's. They go on the bottom. So we have a smooth feeling trigger switch, foam steering wheel right over here. Feels good in the hand, and it's got considerable weight. It's a good size, not too big, not too small, and you can still do one-handed driving with it, so it's pretty cool. All right, let's see. We have our owner's manual here. Okay, and that's the model number right over here, and a couple stickers, Bonzai stickers. As you can see, we have 2S lithium-ion battery. We have our charging port right over here, USB. No other parts. Okay, and we have the buggy itself. So this is the Bonzai buggy. As I said, it's a 1/12 scale full drive buggy. So in terms of features, we have dog bone setup in the back. Everything's painted black, of course. The front, we have a CVD setup up front. We have oil-filled shocks, which is nice for a budget buggy, so you don't have to replace them unless you wanted to in terms of color, for color matching and whatnot, but these look good the way they are. The wheels are, I guess they're proper for the size of buggy. 1/12 scale, yeah, maybe a tiny bit on the small side maybe, but they're doable. I mean, they are workable. It's got a sort of medium soft compound, no foam in the tires. So these will be good for all surfaces, asphalt and off-road. A little bit wider in the rear. So I'm going to go ahead and just take off the clips to show you guys underneath. They have a few variations of this chassis. They have a monster truck, and they also have a see, they have the monster truck, and they have something else I can't recall right now. But anyways, here is the innards. Okay, we have a 540 size motor, 50 amp 2-in-1 brushed ESC. We have another battery here. That's another 2S lithium-ion battery with a Dean's plug. This is a separate compartment set up for future upgrades. Here is where you would put your receiver, because there's already a hole over there where the antenna would come out. So it's very well thought out. And then it looks like we have another area here. So there's a couple of areas here. I'm not sure. Sorry, I just checked. Under here is the servo, so nothing can go here. So that is the servo. It is a 5-wire because this is obviously a brush setup. Here's the compartment that I was referring to. In here, it's empty right now. And here's where you would put the future receiver if you decided to want to upgrade it. Because like I said, there's already a hole in it. So it's nice because it's fully protected. So dust and dirt will not get in. But for now, the stock setup, the ESC is right over here. Let's see, we have a steel drive shaft, which is basically right on top. It's a slightly different kind of setup, but this drive shaft is visible right over here, as you can see. All right, and yeah, we have non-adjustability for the front steering, and same for the rear. So everything's not adjustable. Everything obviously comes at a price point. Underneath here is a flat bottom chassis. We have this kind of honeycomb sort of finish, solid plastic arms with no holes for strength, and the underside of it, to get some light on it, you'll see kind of like a sort of like a honeycomb finish for strength on the other side. Okay. Overall, very good budget buggy. You know, obviously we have steel gears inside, and that's about it. So this is, I guess, the conclusion of my unboxing of the Bonzai Kraze 1/12 scale 4-wheel drive buggy, 1/12 scale. So if you guys have any questions about this RC or any of the other ones in my fleet, please leave a comment below, and I'll answer any questions that you guys may have. All right, have a good day, guys. Ciao.